Good morning, children. Welcome to your science class. Okay, last class you have learned about the reflections, how they are reflecting the copy mirror, okay, and the mirror images and playing with the mirror reflections like making kaleidoscope, periscope, and okay. Now you will read about different types of mirrors. Okay. Now, uh, you know, uh, take a ball and cut it. Okay, take a ball and cut it. How the piece it will be like this. Yes. Okay, this is the part of a ball, no? Yes or no? Yes, this is the part of a. Now you see, you will get like this now. When you cut the ball, you will get a piece like this. Yes. Now we want this piece. Okay. Yes. Now I'll rub this. Why I am explaining about the ball? Take a ball and cut one piece. Why I am explaining, because how do when you cut, even if you don't cut, you will have this experience. Okay, when you are playing football, it will break. When you take the part of a ball, how do you see? It will be like this. Yes or no? It will be like this. This side and this side, it will be like this. Yes, keep this in your mind now. I will be explaining some other things. We have two different types of mirrors. One is concave mirror and convex mirror. What are they? Concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror will be like this. Here this side you can see. Convex mirror is also like this, but the facing side is this side. Okay. Very simple example, your spoon. Take a spoon and hold it like this. Your spoon will be like this now. Hold it. This is the concave. Cave. Okay, this side it is like cave, no? This side it is like a cave. So this is concave. Okay, at this point when you keep your spoon like this and watching it, how do you see? You will see an inverted image. Inverted means reverse image. Yes or no? Yes, you will see an inverted, that is reverse. When you turn the spoon like this, you turn the spoon like this is your convex. This is convex. Okay. When you see here, the image is small. The image is small and it will be normal only. Okay. It will be normal and small. Okay. This is your concave. This side you can see. Okay. This side you can see. This is convex. This is convex. This side you can see. Okay. When you are seeing here, you will get inverted image. How is the image? Inverted and large. Here you will get normal image. If you want, you try take a spoon which is new and you can try. This is small. Okay. Very simple. Here, how is the cave? It will be like this in shape, no? Yes or no? This is concave and this part is convex. Okay, take your spoons and watch it. You will understand clearly. Now, rear view mirrors. What are rear view mirrors? Okay, all of us are having vehicles in your houses. Each vehicle has side mirrors, no? Yes or no? Yes, you will have side mirrors for any vehicle. Okay, when you see in that mirror, okay, it is little bit. How is that mirror? You will see that in the image which is back. Okay, you think any vehicle you are riding on your vehicle, bike, car, whatever it is. Okay, and you see in your side mirror, what you will see? The vehicles coming behind, you can see. Actually, when you read in the side mirrors, it will be written as the objects are look closer than they are. Okay, in this mirror, you will see that the behind vehicles are closer to you than in real. That means if they are 2 feet far, I am telling with an example. Think that it is not to 20 feet far. It will be visible that it is closer to you, like 15 feet or 10 feet. Okay, it will be visible. They are called rear view mirrors. They are called rear view. The side mirrors on any vehicle is called rear view mirror. Okay, they will be seen objects closer than they really are. Okay, think that I am standing here. Okay, but if you see in a rear view mirror, you will feel that I am standing at this place. Here I am standing. That means I have come closer to you now. Yes or no? Actually, I will be standing here. But if you see in the side mirror, you will see me that I am standing here. Okay? Did you understand? Okay, they are called rear view mirrors. Okay, rear view mirrors, side mirrors of a vehicle. Now, where else will you see this concave and convex mirrors? Okay, in your torch light. Okay, in your torch light, and even the dentist will use it. Dentist will use. Why? See, he will put a small mirror inside your mouth with the help of a. It will be like this. Okay, dentist will use this kind of mirror. This is the mirror. He will put inside your mouth and he will observe. You want to see these images bigger in size. Okay, bigger in size. Now, torchlight. See, everybody take page number 91. Take page number 91. See. Now, take page number 91. I told you concave and convex mirrors. Okay, it will be like this. Why I have shown you this? When you cut this, you will get a piece like this. This side it will be concave. This side will be convex. Yes or no? They are the part of a sphere. This convex and concave are part of sphere. So they are named as spherical mirrors. What are they named? Spherical mirrors. Who you are named? No. Concave. Because they are part of the sphere. So they are named as spherical mirrors. Concave and convex mirrors are named as spherical mirrors. Now see page number 91. See this para you see I am reading, very important for you. Okay. Below this table you see. When you look at the inner portion of the spoon, you find a reversed image. Yes, you will see reversed image. The inner portion of spoon acts as concave mirror. See, when you are watching this video, immediately you stop the video, go take a spoon, bring it, see it, and again you start watching the video. Okay. When you look at the outer portion of the spoon, you find small size image. Okay, the concave. This is the concave. Here you will see back side, small image and normal. It will be straight only. If you see this side, it will be reverse and big. And these diagrams are important. These diagrams are important. Okay, ma? Now, take a stand. You have read about concave and convex. Now, take a stand. Okay. In this stand, you place concave and convex. This is concave, convex. Okay. Two mirrors you place it. Okay. In front of these mirrors, you place candle. Concave. How is the concave image you will see on candle image? How can you see? It will be inverted, reverse and big. Okay, then you will see only this much. Okay, only this much. Here, how is the image? Small and normal. Small and normal. Concave. Sorry, convex. Okay, you try it. Now, moving to another experiment. You have to do an experiment. Take a stand. Place concave mirror and place a candle here, and here you put a screen. This image will fall on this concave mirror and will reflect to this screen. How you will get reverse image? Okay, this is like this. Reverse image you will get. Okay. Now, you are not getting this candle image on the screen. What this is, this has given one name, and you will get some image on this now. This has one name. Okay. The image which is falling on the screen has given one name, and here also. There you have copy image and mirror images. Now here also given name to this. Okay. The image, see this page ma, underline it also. See 92 page. Pink table is there no? Above that you see. Just to stop the video, take your book, open it, then start the video. Okay. Page number 92. Above the pink, you see the image that can be obtained on screen is called real image. What is this image? Real image. Okay. Screen. This is the screen. Screen means you can take any white paper, white cloth. Here what screen it is given, we will see. Okay, this you have to do in dark room. Okay. Of the lights, put a candle in front of this concave mirror and put a screen. This light will reflect on the screen. Okay. And you can see. And here the image you are getting is called virtual image. Okay. What is this image? Virtual image. Okay. The image will fall on this and will reflect on the screen. The image fallen on this is called virtual image. And here you are having this image. This is called real image. You underline this to virtual and real images. Okay. Did you underline? Okay, now the vehicles are having lights now. How will the vehicle, once you go, you will have a box kind. Now, it will, how it will be? It will be like this or like this. It will be like this, concave. It will be like this. Even in the torch, if you see, here, here you will have light now. Here it will be like this or like this. It will be like this. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Light rays will go like this. Okay, light rays will go like this. It will spread nicely. If the light is like this, and if you have a concave mirror like this, all will come like this. Reflections will be like this. There is no use of that reflection. So in torch lights and in vehicles, we are having lights now. In that lights you will have concave mirrors. Vehicle lights, okay, and this torch lights will have concave mirrors. Now, next, okay, only mirrors you can see your face. Only in the mirrors can you see. Your mother will wash the plate and will give. What you will do, you will see your face in that. Yes or no? Any new plate, okay, your mother brought, or any new box or spoon. What you will do, you will see your face. Here what we are seeing, not only the mirrors, other substances or other metals. In that also you can see your image. Yes or no? Yes. How is that happening? Due to reflection of light. Okay. Now, see. I can see my image slightly in this board. Due to this heavy light reflection, I can see my image is not shadow. Not shadow. My image. I can see in this board slightly. Not clearly, but slightly. Okay, why? Light is falling on me and it is reflected onto this board and I could see. But I am not seeing clearly. But I can see. Okay, how is this happening? Think this is the mirror. Okay, this is mirror. Think this is your window glass. In window glass you can see your face but not clearly. Why is that happening? You see. Window glass or somewhere any material. which you can see, okay, your face, but not clearly, like window glass, any plain surface, okay. Okay, now when your mother cleans your floor, marbles, that time you can see little bit, yes or no, slightly. Now this is mirror. Think, okay, a person is standing here, a person is, okay, light is falling on him, okay, light is falling on him, and light rays gets reflected, they will fall on this straightly, and you are watching, they will get reflected at same angle. See, angle of reflection and angle of incidence are same, so you can see the image clearly as it is. When you see your face in the mirror, you look, the face is similar, clear, neat, and this is your any surface, okay, they won't be even. When you see it clearly, okay, when you try to see it clearly, they will not be plain, okay, they will have some irregular, okay, irregularity will be there. So when the light rays fall on them, what will happen, they will reflect, okay, like this, they will not reflect properly. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are not same here, okay, they will not reflect properly, and you cannot see the image properly. Because of this irregular reflection, okay, this is called regular reflection, okay, this is not regular, they are going here and there, while the surface is not plane, so this is irregular, okay, this is irregular reflection and this is regular reflection, okay. Now see page number 93, it is given, okay, page number 93 it is given, okay. See ma, you have to read it clearly ma, okay, when you read it once you will understand, okay. Now I'll give you one question as homework. Now take page number 94. You have to write the differences between the concave and convex mirror, okay. It is somewhere I am watching. Write the differences between okay. Okay, go for the last page of your questions. We will see if it is where it is given. Okay, 16th question. See page number, page 96, homework question 16. Okay, this is your homework. Page 96, question number 16 is your homework. Write it along with the diagram. Differences between concave and convex mirror. Okay, 16th question. Okay, thank you children.